Welcome to this video presentation, Document 1, Introducing the Teach Well Toolkit. My name is Steve Waters and I am the founder of the Teach Well Alliance and the creator of the Teach Well Toolkit. This presentation is an introduction to the Teach Well Toolkit and how it works. It provides information on the documents that are included in the Teach Well Toolkit and how to access them. It also gives you an overview of the Teach Well Toolkit programme to implement a culture of staff well-being and mental health. The presentation is also available as a manual presentation without my voiceover commentary in Document 2 and in Document 3 as an audio recording of the text on the slides. You will also find a transcript of this introduction to the video presentation in Document 4 on the Teach Well Toolkit website. The presentation will automatically move on to the next slide after my commentary stops. As there is detailed information to read on the slides, when I finish speaking, you might find it helpful to pause the presentation to read through each slide. When you are ready to move on, press play again. The Teach Well Alliance focuses on staff well-being and mental health as a whole school issue. This slide explains why. Take a moment to read how the colour coding works in the presentation. The colour coding also applies to all documents in the Teach Well Toolkit. The aim is to make the documents easier to read. The Teach Well Alliance has designed the Teach Well Toolkit programme to take you one step at a time through the actions you need to take. All the documents you will need have been written for you, including emails to staff. All communication documents are in Word format so that, if necessary, you can easily customise them to suit the context of your school. This slide describes the Teach Well Toolkit and refers to the fast-track version. We believe that the full version ensures effective implementation and involves staff at every stage in the process. However, in certain circumstances, particularly if you have been implementing a culture of staff well-being for some time, the fast-track version may be more appropriate for your school. At this point, you might wish to download the Teach Well Toolkit manual and the flowchart in Document 10 step by step through the Teach Well Toolkit so that you can refer to them during the presentation.